Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So for this video, I will gonna show you how you can view your PC or laptop specs in Windows 11. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to view the specs of your PC or laptop, first, go to your Windows search. Then go and search settings. After searching, you can now open your settings. Once you're on your settings, next, go to System. Then scroll down until you find the About. Once you've found it, you can now click to open it. And after that, it's done. You will now be able to see the specs of your PC or laptop. And so that's just how you view the specs of your PC or laptop, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.